Hey everybody, David R. Becker here with BeckerArt. Today I want to talk to you about something I had put together about 6 months ago, and I showed you how to make these folders out of insulation bubble wrap, and they've been great. One problem, they come apart. So I was using this aluminum tape, which is really sticky tape, and it's really great tape to stick them together, but they're very stiff. And these folders are very flexible, so you get stuff like this happening all the time where it's coming off. So it's coming off, and I'm taking them, putting my paintings in there, transporting them, and it just little by little the tape comes off. So see, this is the aluminum tape, and it's very stiff, and it doesn't do well with this plastic tape. So I'm just going to take this off. I'm just going to take that off and see how it's very stiff. You make actually a little ball with it. It's so stiff. Now it's great tape for other things if you don't have to have it flexible. So this now is flexible, but the tape is not, and so what happens is it sticks and it just keeps on coming off like this. So I'm going to take this off of here. I'm going to take off the tape that I had on there, aluminum tape, and it does strip maybe some of the plastic off. So this basically is plastic where it's not flexible, and this tape is definitely not. It's basically aluminum with stickiness on it. So I'm going to use a duct tape. You can use a great duct tape you can get at any store, Ace Hardware, Menards, any of the hardware stores, or Walmart. You can get this duct tape. And again, this is flexible and very sticky. The stickier the better, I would say. And so I'm just going to take it down like this, put it on there. And the nice thing about duct tape is it rips really easily. I just ripped it right off, and so see, it's going to be flexible now, and so it can, when it flexes and opens up, I'm just going to fold it like this, and now just fold it on top of this part, stick it down. I am sorry that I had told you guys to use aluminum tape. I thought it looked cool because it was all aluminum, it was all silvery, but now see how this is flexible? So this is flexible and will not come off. And so that's one of the things. Now you can also use one of those burners that to putting your plastic sheets on there, like shrink wrapping machine, where you take the little wire and burn it together. You can do that, but many people don't have that. So this is just the easy way. Get yourself some duct tape, and then look at how easy it is. Now it's stiff. You see how it's flexible now. I don't have to worry about it bending up. Because what was happening is that when you open it and kind of flex it, then it would just stay that way because it's a stiff aluminum. This way now it'll be nice and even, and it won't come off. All right. So sorry about that. Those things happen when you're making up new things, and when you then use it for a while. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't horrible, but I'm just wanting to put on notice that it does come off. And it's just not the greatest part to use is the aluminum tape. Instead, use duct tape. And you can make it different colors. They probably even have silver duct tape if you want to make it look like that. But it's just to protect these are the folders that protect your painting. You just put your painting in there, like a little portfolio. Some people make them to exact size of the painting so they can slip it in there. And it's like, once that painting's in there, until it's sold, you can just give it to them with this aluminum insulation. It's not aluminum, it's actually plastic bubble wrap folder insulation type of stuff you can get at Ace Hardware, Home Depot. I'll put links into the comments section where you can find that kind of stuff, this kind of stuff. They make it in blankets and rolls. And so it's great for putting your paintings in there when they're framed so you don't mark up the frames. All right, sorry about that. Sorry about the aluminum tape. Don't use aluminum tape. It doesn't work so great. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.